In a quiet seaside town, where the morning birds sang over narrow streets and friendly gardens, lived a kind woman named Tabitha. Tabitha was known for her warm hands and careful heart, because she loved to make beautiful clothes for people who needed them. If a child had no coat, Tabitha stitched one. If a widow had a torn cloak, Tabitha mended it with soft thread and a smile. And because of her kindness, many hearts felt brighter whenever she was near. One day, Tabitha became very ill, and the happy rooms where she once worked grew still and quiet as her body system stopped working. Her friends washed her dead body, laid her in a peaceful upper room. They cried and prayed with gentle hope. They remembered the lovely things she had done, the scarves she had sewn, the blankets she had shared, and the way she had made ordinary days feel special. The whole town felt her absence like a lamp that had gone dim. Nearby, the Apostle Peter was preaching in another town. When he heard about Tabitha, he came at once, walking with a caring heart. The believers met him with soft voices and led him upstairs. There sat the women, carrying the very coats and garments Tabitha had made, as if her kindness itself had been folded into each stitch. Peter looked at them, and then he knelt down and prayed. The room was hushed, as peaceful as twilight. Then Peter turned to Tabitha and said, "Tabitha, rise up." And by God's power, Tabitha opened her eyes. She sat up, alive and well, as if morning had stepped gently into the room. Joy filled the house like sunlight pouring through a window. Peter took her by the hand and helped her stand. The believers laughed and cried and praised God because they had seen that His love is stronger than sorrow. News of this wonderful miracle spread through the town, and many people came to believe in the Lord. Tabitha did not waste her second chance. She kept on serving, sewing, and loving others with the same gentle goodness as before, only now her light shone even brighter. Her story reminds us that small acts of kindness matter, that God sees every loving deed, and that a faithful life can bless many people. So when you tuck your blanket close tonight, remember Tabitha, a woman whose hands made warmth, whose heart made hope, and whose life showed that God can shine through even the quietest kindness. And as you drift to sleep, ask yourself this beautiful question: who can you make smile tomorrow with one small act of love?